Hello guys, how are you? We show a warm welcome to our channel and also a little family freecourses.com. So today's notification is very important for all of us because in today I am does not coming here a one notification, there will be four notification for you. Okay, one is the premium course, another is the internship plus job opportunity, another is the internship is coming from the Cognizant, and another is the Mintra hacker. Okay, so please stay at the end. Okay, every notification will be beneficial for all of us. Okay, so those who are watching at me, so let's go to the first notification, which is the Learn with Android application development, a beginner course on Android application development. So okay, many of us we in our mind that yeah, from the I have developed or I have built a Android application and I have installed it in my phone. Okay, and also share it to my friends and family members, and also go it to the live. Okay, so but there will be not that much free content available in YouTube or in websites. Okay, so that is this course is totally for beginner level. Okay, so if you are a does not know about the what is the Android development and what is the basics thing of it, so this course will be starting from beginning and going to the end. Okay, from scratch, you can say that from scratch to the end level. Okay, so it's a very good course guys, because if you see here 4.5 rating, 27-hour on demand video. Okay, and the 3 lakh students are already enrolled for it. Okay, so there will be one negative point of that is you does not get any certificate, but yes, you get totally free knowledge from that. Knowledge is a very important than certificate. Okay, so it is a very good overview for Java programming. Another important thing is nowadays Android development are going to many ways. You can learn Android development in Java, in Kotlin, but it is totally in Java language, because most of are you quite similar with the Java programming language because it is a world programming language. Okay, so let's go to the next. Next is the coming from the Intenshala student partner. Be the face of Intenshala of IIIM College of Engineering. Apply now. A transformation work from home program. Last date to apply 6 October 2021. If you are looking for internship, okay, or if you earn some money from that, so this is the right course for you. Okay, so in this course you will learn, you will earn, and you will grow also. Okay, you will learn some knowledge, you will earn some money, and you will grow by the knowledge. Okay, so I am sharing you all of the respective links in the description. Please go to the description, and one important thing guys, please join us our Telegram channel. Okay, because every day I am uploading lot of premium courses in my channel. Okay, so next is the Cognizant Ready Set Agile. Okay, so I hope you all of are known that the Cognizant is the American multinational company. Okay, so in every year Cognizant hire a lot of approx maximum students hiring by the Cognizant. It is a bulk hiring every year. Cognizant doing bulk hiring. Okay, so they will be get ready to agile, gain valuable knowledge in agile methodology in virtual experience program. Okay, so register now. The virtual experience program is free for all the students. So why you should join in this program? So first of all, you have to get a knowledge that what is the agile. It is a agile software deployment. Agile is a set of principles indeed to improve the effectiveness of the software deployment professional teams and organization. Okay, so it will better to your methodology, your technology, how you can better that. Okay, obviously there will be some principles. There will be approx 12 agile principles in there. Okay, I does not go into the deep. So business and technology have never changed faster. The opportunity has been greater to create the new customer experience and launch the new digital based business model. They may require comprising years of change into the months. Okay, so it is a fully technology based webinar, you can say, program, you can say. But one important thing guys, if you enroll for this program, or if you register for that, you will be very beneficial, because after completing this course you get a valuable certificate. Okay, so those you will show in your resume as well as your LinkedIn profile. Okay, but one important thing, guys, after doing that, okay, so these are the modules. Okay, so what you will do to be in this ready state agile virtual experience program, waterfall versus agile, user stories, role assignments and ceremonies, agile tools and concepts, agile curveballs, agile methodology review and additional resources. This program is self-paced. It takes approx 6 to 5 hours to complete. It takes 5 to 6 hours to complete. This is the doing by the initiative by the Cognizant, okay, portal platform. So as I will say you that if you're doing that course, so there will be the possibility to get a job and internship, okay, are high, become high. So it is my earnest request to all of you guys, please enroll for that program as soon as possible.